There is a moment in life that almost every parent misses. Not because they don't care, but because they don't realize it's happening. One day, your children will stop asking you to play, and you never know which time was the last time. When children are small, they ask you constantly, "Come play with me. Come look at this. Watch what I can do." It happens all at the same time. And sometimes you say yes, and sometimes you say you're too busy. You have work, you have responsibilities, you're tired, and you assume there will always be another moment, another opportunity, another time to say yes. But what most parents don't realize is that something slowly changes. It doesn't happen in a big moment. It happens quietly, gradually. One day, your child asks less often. They start entertaining themselves. They start spending more time with friends. They start building their own world. And without realizing it, the requests stop. They stop asking you to come play. They stop asking you to watch. They stop asking you to join their little universe. And the strange thing about that moment is you never know when it happened. There's no announcement, there's no final invitation, there's just the last time that passes quietly. And you don't realize it until years later. And sometimes that realization hits even deeper when you think about your own childhood. I was adopted. So for a long time, I thought a lot about where I came from, about belonging, about family. And one of the things that life slowly teaches you is that family isn't just about where you started. It's about the moments people choose to show up. The moment someone says when you ask them to play. The moments someone pays attention. The moment someone joins your little world. Because those small moments, they're actually the ones that build a life. And when you look back later, you don't remember the busy days. You remember the small moments when someone stopped what they were doing and simply showed up. And that's when you understand something about time. Life is not made up of big dramatic moments. Life is made up of small, ordinary moments that quietly disappear. And most of the time, we only understand the value after they're gone.